I'm Seb 3.0. This is Nebular Summit. It's the Interchain Builders Conference where founders, investors, developers, builders, and friends come together to talk about the Interchain.
We're having an awesome time. This place is lit, so much lighting, beautiful venue, lots of excitement all around.
Nebular Summit this year is 2 days of intense technical talks, spicy debates, and panels and developer workshops to expand your Cosmos and Interchain Gigabrain.
All the ecosystem of new ideas is here, so very high efficiency on the networking side, a lot of new ideas.
All the talk, I enjoy the quality, how people are passionate about what they're building.
It's very exciting to be back. It's been awesome to be able to come full circle and present, the outcome of all the work that has gone through in about a year, see everybody in this awesome conference at Albert School.
We're super pleased to be doing the event this year in the heart of Paris. It's a historical venue with over 150 years of history. It's a perfect place to be hosting an event like Nebular. There's amazing atrium, stage, and classrooms where people have been able to get together, learn about the Interchain, build things, and make new friends.
It's been really interesting to meet a lot of people that are working in the larger Cosmos community. I've been helping out Seb launch an auction for the artwork that this artist has been doing for Nebular. This painting is going to be one of the very first live auctions that is going to be done on Stargaze.
So I hope you'll join us next year for Nebular Summit as we continue to grow the Interchain. Thank you.